The room, me and my crew, and it was cool until we bumped into you. Now it's been years, but there you were, like a Mustang, redlining every single gear with a minute dance, like he was born in 49, but lost his groove back in ancient times. I wanna know are those replacement hips? Is that a Swatch watch? Do you know what time it is? Does he run deep enough to take you there? Does he run deep enough? Oh, tell me, baby, does he run deep enough? Does he run?